Hi everyone! So regarding sa bus booking natin, okay, so all you have to do, log into your portal and click mo yung bus. So we have here the search button and the bus history. So lahat ng booking ng bus nandito sa bus history. So pag mag-search ka, click mo yung search button. So go to origin and pumili ka kung ano yung origin dyan, kung saan manggagaling pasahero mo. So choose destination. So kung ano lang yung mga destination na nandito sa pilian, sa choices, ito lang yun nandito. So, do not ask kung wala bang ganito kasi kung ano lang yung meron, yun lang yung nandyan. So, for example, Pasay to Legazpi. Let's try Legazpi. Yan. So, travel date. So, note, bus request should be made at least 2 days prior your trip schedule. So, remember, bus booking is offline request. Hindi siya katulad ng airlines or ng hotel na book mo siya dire-diretso at mako-confirm. So, bus booking is offline request. Please send your follow-up at bus@gicorpfield.com. So, again, 2 days prior. Hindi pwedeng today, hindi pwedeng bukas na, or hindi pwedeng sa makalawa. Dapat 2 days prior the travel date. Okay? So, for example, so, May 4. Okay? So, ngayon is April 29. So, ito na lang yung pwede. So, excuse me, sample is May 5. So, for senior, click mo senior. Kung student, sila lang yung merong discount dito sa portal natin. Yung child, wala po siyang discount. Okay? So, click search. So, ito yung lalabas na available. So, for Pasay, 10 a.m. yung available natin. We have 19:45. Military time din siya. Same with airlines. So, 19:45 is 7:45 p.m. or in the evening. So, papiliin mo si client mo kung 10 a.m. ba or evening yung gusto niya. So, ito yung price or yung amount na babayaran ni customer sa'yo, 1,079.9. Okay? So, ang good news dito, itong price na to, yung amount na yan, meron na yung 100 peso agent commissions. Okay? So, ang madededuct, once na na-confirm na tong booking request mo, ang idededuct lang sa balance mo is 979.9. So, yung 100 dyan, either may iwan lang yan sa balance mo. So, ito yung gusto ng pasahero, click book. Click yung agency. Okay? So, pangalan ni customer. Okay? So, age, and then ID proof. So, ID number or any, So, click request. Age. So, terms and condition, cancellation of trips should be done 24 hours before the trip schedule. Otherwise, ticket age is considered sold and paid. Forfeited na yan, hindi na siya marirefund. Kung ika-cancel mo yan ng, kunyari, ngayon na yung trip o kaya bukas na yung trip. So, hindi dapat within 24 hours. Rebooking also, same. Kailangan within 24 hours. Okay, so, kung okay, continue. Okay, so your booking reference number is 12170. Our customer care team will reach you shortly. So, click mo yung voucher. So, you can save it, pero nasa history naman yan. So, no need to save it. Okay. Yan. Voucher is required to present at the terminal in replacement of bus ticket in 1 hour before departure. But hindi ito yung mismong voucher ha, kasi wala pa yung bus reference number and yung seat number. Kasi i-check pa yan or i-confirm pa yan ng customer support natin. So, to confirm, okay, so, ang gagawin mo para ma-confirm yan, if you want it to be expedite or mapabilis yung booking request mo, pwede ka mag-CBR request. Okay? So, click mo yung CBR request. Okay? So, click mo yung domestic, request by mail, contact number, sample lang, bus, submit. So, no need to input choose file. Okay, close. Or, go to your email, di ba sabi naman doon, sa bus history natin. So, you can check the bus history. Ngayon ka nag-request. Click mo yan. So, here's the pending. Okay? Yan yung mga pending ko for today kasi nagsasample nga ako ng booking. Yan. So, ang gagawin mo, kunin mo tong reference number, okay, and yung name ng passenger. So, compose to your email. Punta ka sa bas@gicorpfill.com. Bas confirmation. So, you can type like anything. Hi team, please confirm my BAS request. Reference number. So, paste mo lang yan. Okay? Fax name, Araceli Santos. Travel date. You can complete it or you can just put the reference number and yung fax name. It's up to you. And then send. Okay? So, just to give you an idea lang, while waiting tayo, syempre hintayin din natin yung reply po ng customer support natin. Just to give you an idea kung ano ba itsura nung confirm na BAS request. Okay, so there you go. Here. So, ito rin yung nakita mo kanina, but ang iba lang is, pinagkaiba lang is meron siyang BAS reference number, which is this. And meron na rin siyang seat number. And yung seat number niya. Okay? So, itong voucher na to, i-print mo to, pagdating mo sa terminal, ito yung ipapakita mo. Okay? So, diretso na po yun. Yan. Okay? So, yun. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, just bear with our customer support lang na mag-reply. Kung hindi pa nagre-reply or hindi pa nag-callback request dahil nag-request tayo, so let's just wait and we can follow up naman. And then contact your sales head para matulungan ka rin makapag-follow up. Okay? So that's all. Thank you.